So if your vehicle is extremely dirty, we will steam clean it. This is for like when you have like stuff stuck in the cracks or crevices and things of that nature. Like you got like real sticky stuff and dirt that can't come out. We'll definitely steam clean it and get everything out for you. Sheesh. Steam clean, baby. Good steam clean, help remove light stains, help remove any type of sticky substance, things of that nature. You know, we're gonna steam this too as well. You know, you hit this a lot when you get in your car. And you're gonna come down and wipe it back up. It's all good, man. It's a brand new car, so it didn't really need super shampoo. When we assessed it, we just saw that it needed a steam clean. So the stains wasn't that bad. They wasn't deep into the carpet like that. So just a little steam, a little chemical on it, to get it looking brand new. Yo, all right, so this is the second car today. Hyper Networks. It's a company out of not California, North Carolina. He booked online, and I was on the phone talking to him. He was like, yeah, I'm at the main place in North Carolina, but I want you to do a fleet vehicle down in Georgia. So this is what we finna work on, one of the Hyper Network cars, right quick. About to do an in and out basic cleaning on it, get it looking presentable for when they use it to drive and utilize it. You know, they call Earl's Detailing, so we locked in. So as you see, it's not that bad. Dirty because it's white. Other than that, typical truck. Interior on it, not really that bad. We about to knock it out. Simple job, simple job. Appreciate you for booking with Earl's Detailing.